y'all, Sam here. I hope that you're all having a fabulous day. It is a Monday. I have so many subscription boxes that have all arrived all at the same time that we're just going to sit down and unbox all these bad boys. In this video, we're going to open up the Boxy Charm for February. So let's see what I got. I do know that there was two different palette options this month, an Ofra magnetic palette and a highlighting palette. Kind of torn on which one of those I'd rather have. Kind of feel like the Z palette I'd get more use out of than the highlight, but we'll have to find out what I got. So the theme this month is Galaxy Glow, so I'm assuming we're going to have lots of glowy stuff in here. The first item, or items I should say, is this set of 3 brushes from Crown. We have definitely received Crown brushes before in our Boxy Charm boxes, and these are nice synthetic brushes. They are very soft. I think this one I would get a lot of use out of. This one, it's a little dense for a highlighter for me, but I will try it out, and this will just be a good little eyeshadow shader brush. So these retail for $29.99. This box is $21. So we've already received more in value in these 3 items than we actually paid for the box. So that I'm very happy about. Alright, so the next item we have is the CoverFX Veil. And I think everyone got this in their box this month. And it is a very pretty, like, soft pink with a purple shift to it. This product here is like a liquid eyeshadow. So let me swatch it on my hand for you. Here's a swatch of what that looks like up close. It's very pretty. Yo, we about to try this stuff out right now. Ooh, I like it, y'all. What do y'all think? I think it's really pretty. My only question is it going to like smear throughout the day because I do have such hooded eyelids? See, like I open my eyes and you can't see it. Close my eyes. There it is. Open, gone. It's like hide and go seek with my own eyelids. This CoverFX retails for $28. That is so expensive to me for a eyeshadow. It's beautiful. I would never pay $28 for this though. But hey, I got it in my box, so I'm happy with that. The next item we got is a Vintage Cosmetics eyeliner. And this is like the pencil kind that you gotta sharpen. It seemed to go on smooth on my hand. Let's try it out on my eyes. Y'all. This pencil is $21. $21 for a pencil. It actually went on pretty well. Did have to swipe over it a couple times to get that darker pigmentation that I would want on that waterline. But yeah, this isn't bad. I had to even out those puppies real quick because I would look crazy if I didn't. To keep with the Galaxy Glow theme, next item we have is a purple glitter, and this is from Bellapierre Cosmetics. This retails for $15 and it is a body glitter. Open it up here. Let's just dump some of this out and see. Yeah, this is like straight up purple glitter. Yeah, when you blow on it, it just blows away. Let's put some like eyeshadow primer down. I have some glitter glue, but I don't know where that is at the moment. So I am going to put a little eyeshadow primer down, try to rub some of this in and see if we can get it to stick that way. There is that purple glitter with a eyeshadow base down. Not a fan of this. All right, now what you guys have been wondering, which palette did I get? Ofra or Naked? So I got the Naked Cosmetics highlighting palette. I absolutely love the hollow packaging on this. That's just, this makes me love it just because of that. And this is what the inside of the palette looks like. This reminds me of one of those like Moonchild palettes where it looks like they're not going to be hollow. They might have like a little bit of color shift to them. But let's test a couple of these out. All right, let's do finger swatches first. So that is the top row. That is the pink, purple, and what color is that? Lighter pink. Next we have the yellow, the blue, and the green. So they swatch pretty well, but they look very pastel on the skin, so I'm curious to see what they look like as highlighters. Which one should we do? Let's do the purple to kind of go with my purple eyeshadow look. Not getting too much fallout. Holy smokes, this works. Wow. It really works. It's great, actually. I just don't think I'm going to ever want to wear purple highlighter. I don't know. Y'all tell me, is this my new look? Okay, on this side, let's go ahead and try the green. Since I'm wearing a green shirt. We're just getting all ready for St. Patrick's Day a little early. The green definitely worked as well. I feel like the purple is a little bit more out there. Maybe I picked up a little bit more on my brush. But yeah, I think I like the purple better. We're going to have to even it out now. Okay, so I had to even out that purple a little bit. I am definitely looking otherworldly. Out of all these colors, the one I would lean towards the most would probably be the yellow. This is probably the most traditional. So we're just going to try it right here on my nose. Whew. Okay, the yellow works. I think I used a little much. So I'm actually kind of glad that this is the palette that Boxy Charm chose for me to receive this month. I'm just curious which palette you guys received this month. Leave a comment below if you got the Naked palette or if you got the Ofra Z palette. Well, thank you guys so much for hanging out with me, and if you haven't already entered the unicorn giveaway, that is in the description box below. Definitely check that out. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. It would mean so very much to me. And until next time, bye y'all!